This thing folds really nice and compact. As you can see, it's got some pockets on the exterior. I've already unfastened the fasteners on the side, but when you open it up, it gets very big very fast. One of my favorite things, I like doing it this way. One of my favorite things is this flap that I couldn't figure out initially. This flap has a nice Velcro strip right here, and you can attach it, giving yourself a nice little divide, and that's perfect for the basketball my daughters use. Another thing that I like to look at is, let's put something in the middle like this sunshade. Let's go this way. Nice and sturdy. It's the perfect length of the, or actually it's the perfect width of the foldable collapsible storage unit. And that offers a little bit of structure and support in the middle. And then we can take this jump rope, and this is a great thing to put in one of these side pockets. I like that the side pockets are here. And then we have these reusable shopping bags. You're familiar with them if you spent time in California, but they're also great for reducing the amount of shopping trips. So I like, let's do that. Let's just do that right here for now. I do a lot of shipping. Whoops, that's fine. Do a lot of shipping, so we have some cardboard boxes here. This is another opportunity to provide a little bit of extra structure for the middle. So there you go. They actually go better that way, the tall way. And we have our pom-poms, cheerleading. This thing was made for pom-pom storage right here in the middle. That's awesome. We have a tire inflator. Let's start using these pockets on the outside. We have bubble wrap for any delicate shipping needs. A few more bubble mailers. Very nice. This is the emergency jump starter unit. This is the device that the unit's for. Has the cables and everything in there. Tuck that there. This is a nice little storage thing for collapsible, foldable, step on the side of the vehicle. Get up access onto the roof. Air pump for the tire inflator. It's a nice place just to tuck it in there. Put the DVR camera right here. We have a USB-C micro SD card reader, so all the technology you need to get the video footage from the dash cam to your phone. And then last but not least, we have that. We have a few soccer shin protectors. I like this golf. You need all these golf balls every time you go golfing one time. And then we have our emergency Hyundai first aid kit. Sits ever so nicely on the top. Convenient handles allow you to pick it up, take it into your car, go on about